Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning in. To my returning subscribers, thank you for tuning in. Here's another bomb. And to my new subscribers and everyone, thank you for tuning in. So today I'm going to make broccoli soup, and thank you for watching all the videos that I upload here time and again. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Please subscribe for more healthy meals, easy and quick ones. Easy and quick meal prep, but healthy. So let's get into it. So on our ingredients we have broccoli, we are going to use this whole thing. We have broccoli. Look at me messing up. We have baby marrow, zucchini, and we have spinach, baby spinach as well. We have onion. We have half a leek. We can say quarter leek. On our spices, we've got ginger, with pepper. Let's put it aside here, and green onion, coconut cream, organic one, salt and olive oil. So let's start cleaning this first, and then we start cooking. There's no need for me to chop nicely because we are going to blend all this. You just have to take it off, just this, and the rest cook because it's going to be blended, right? All going to be blended and cooked. There you go. So let's start by washing our broccoli. There you go, it's clean. I'm going to make more than one meal today. I'm going to make butternut soup, broccoli soup, and cauliflower soup. They are soups. It's a soup season. When it's winter time, that's when the soup season kicks in, right? There's no need to cut nicely because we're going to blend all of this. It's all going to be blended. Olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic is enough. For the meantime, I have to chop broccoli just to separate them. And there we go, all chopped. So let's start with onions. Onion and normal onion. Secondly, a zucchini. That's 4 medium-sized zucchini. My ginger. Half teaspoon of pepper. Again, half teaspoon. Broccoli, clean and washed broccoli. Broccoli doesn't take time to be cooked. So we don't want to cook all this. And our organic coconut cream. Last but not least, we are adding our baby spinach. Adding 2 cups of baby spinach. And there we go. And let's see how it goes. There we go. The ocean. Then put the pot is a little bit warm. Then we're gonna blender. So let's put it back in the blender. Let's put it in the blender. Our soup here. Creamy, yummy, nutritional. And there we go. So creamy, yummy, nutritional, all in one plate. Warm it. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. There we go.